HeyMath program taught us about the different approaches to be used during our lesson presentation. That's the first thing. And it is useful. And learners were fully engaged and involved in learning activities by using these HeyMath programs. And in case of an impact, it has a positive impact towards the teaching and learning process. Thank you very much.
My name is Margaret Adby. I'm one of the educators, math teachers. It's a very good program, because some of the things that we cannot even have them in class, they can see them on the presentations.
We are fully supported by HeyMath officials through our workshop and meetings at the school level. Even in the organized meetings, we were fully workshopped by them. And really, this program were friendly used and the capacity building. We learn a lot in terms of ITC programs. We learned a lot of those programs. Thank you very much.
Yeah, from my side, there are things that I didn't even know before, but because of the support of people like Mr. Frank and the other guy, the technician one, they showed me how to approach things differently, and I think there are improvements in my teachings. There are things that I never did before, but now because of their support, I see I can do them, and even successfully. Yeah, from my side, there are things like where you see on the program, you ask question, they ask you question, and then you check the answer. So I've given them classworks where they are answered the same time. The question is posed, and then they give us the answer. It gives the answer from their book, and then from there we check from the program. So I think that is one of the things that we were not used to before.
We were very happy if more overhead projectors and laptops are provided at our institution to facilitate our teaching and learning effectively in our school. We'll be very glad if we get the provision of more overhead projectors and the laptops.
Yeah, in supporting what my professor said, projector. So we are sharing it the whole school. So if we were the same, we were attending the class in the same time, you find that it is impossible to share the projector. And then it will be good if maybe they can assist us with more projectors, and then so that it can cover the whole school, even if they are not the whole classes, but because they come in different times, and then it can work for us. And the other thing is, like when you go to class, we don't have the screen, so we got one from one of the teachers, and it takes time to connect. So if maybe we can get the built-in, it will be connected speedily, because the time is, we are sharing the periods with the other subjects.
I appreciate the way the Old Mutual assist us through the HeyMath program.
Yeah, I'm very thankful to the program, and then to Old Mutual and everyone who's involved in this. For the past years, sometimes we never had things like curriculum coverage. Sometimes we find that we cannot try all the things. But now, even if we are writing, learners are already engaged. Even if I'm busy with the other class, if you are busy with the other class, you find that they are busy with the program on their own. So it is helpful.